While waiting naman po, they gave us a date, Jenilyn gave us a date naman po on when she's gonna be back. So I got to accept din naman po different projects while Jenilyn was resting and taking care of her baby.
Bakit din you really waited pa rin for Jen sa project na to? Hindi ka dumating sa punto na parang, sige po, I'll change na lang ibang project, mga gano'n. Kasi tayo sure kayo lang talaga makakapag-shoot.
Hindi, yun nga po, totoo naman po na ako yung natatakot na parang baka ako yung palitan ni Miss Jenilyn. Kasi naman po, I mean, while waiting naman po, they gave us a date, Jenilyn gave us a date naman po on when she's gonna be back. So I got to accept din naman po different projects while Jenilyn was resting and taking care of her baby.
But it's good na hindi ka pinabayaan ng change.
Yan.
Last question na po tayo.
Siyan.
Laking pasasalamat po. Uulit-ulitin ko yon na laking utang na loob po. Kasi nung in-offer naman po sa akin yung Love Dynamic, wala pa po ako nagagawa sa kanila. Ang nakikita pa lang po nila yung gawa ko po sa other station and I will always say I'm grateful. And of course kay Jenilyn kasi syempre approve pa niya yun. Sino ba makakatrabaho ko? Sino ba yung makakatrabaho ko? Siyan? Sige, okay na. Pwede na.
Kit, ano naman na?
Sorry, hindi ko alam yan. Nasobrang pamalo siya.
Sana po, nagagawa ko po ang spirit kasi hindi po yung class. Happy New
Sa akin
Year.
binigyan ka.
I'm very grateful. Una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm very grateful
Sorry.
each year. Kasi po, nagulat po nitong Love Dynamic. It was the first show that they offered to me. Wala po yung surprise, wala po yung false positive. Kumbaga, wala po ako nagagawa sa kanila na they took the initiative na parang mas hindi natin sa siya yung baby na hindi okay siya. But I feel really grateful and I feel really blessed. In terms of tackling different genres or curriculum directing, I got to do a project with them last year. As sa isang episode ng Wish Ko Lang, nabigyan ko nila ng pagkakataon ng mag-film. And hopefully po, sana more projects po in terms of being behind the camera because yun po yung as of the moment, that's what's fueling my soul. Masaya ako na behind the camera. Alam mo yung Direct Jerry, lagi ako tinatanong, Direct, ang saya naman behind, ano nangyayari dyan? Matanong ko talaga ako.
Asa nakapag-direct ka na pala sa
Yes. Tapos yan, ang dami yung bigay sa yung roles. Kumanap ka ng lalaki na movies, illustrator, tapos dito naman, paulit-ulit ka mamamatay. Ano ba yung role ng gusto yung role na meron ng mga gawa? Para sa akin po, dito ko ako nakatuwa ng action. Kumbaga, I think yun po yung mga or something dark na bida ko something like that.
What does the word repeat in the title mean to your character and to yourself as an actor?
Ang ibig sabihin ng repeat sa character or even as a professional as an actor po, siguro po, first thing that came to mind is just to keep on working on the craft. You're not, I mean, especially po, we're working with established actors like certain lines in Miss Mercy this year, of course, si Direct Jerry. It's really, if there's one thing na makukuha ko sa show, it's not, you're not gonna get it right away. But you're gonna have to keep on repeating, you have to keep on working on your craft. You're gonna keep on failing so many times in life. It's all about how you get back up and how you do it again and again. Para lang maging perfect po yun.